In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add inverted hammer, bullish, quick and easy guide. We're going to walk through how to quickly add the inverted hammer bullish indicator to your Tradingview chart. And I'll give you some context along the way so you understand what you're doing and why. By the end of this video, you'll be able to pull this pattern up on your charts in just a few clicks. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account and you have a chart open. It doesn't matter which market you're looking at, as long as you're on the main chart screen. At the top of the screen, you'll see a toolbar. Look for the button labeled Indicators. This is where all of Tradingview's built-in tools and community scripts are stored. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. Once that window pops up, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is the fastest way to find what you need instead of scrolling through long lists. Click into the search field and type the word hammer. Typing just hammer is enough to show you all the hammer-related candlestick patterns that Tradingview recognizes, including different bullish and bearish variations. As you type, you'll see a list of matching indicators appear below. Take a moment to look through the results, then locate the one labeled inverted hammer bullish. This is the specific pattern we want to add. When you find it, simply click on it once. As soon as you click, Tradingview will automatically apply it to your current chart. You should now see visual markers or highlights on your chart wherever the inverted hammer bullish pattern appears. Depending on the script, this might look like symbols above or below candles, or small labels directly on the candlesticks. If you hover over these, you can often see tooltips or additional information. If you don't see anything right away, try zooming out or scrolling back in time. Sometimes the pattern doesn't occur in the most recent few candles. From here, you can customize the look of the indicator by hovering over its name in the chart legend and opening the settings. You can adjust colors, visibility, and sometimes even the sensitivity of the pattern, so it matches your personal trading style. Finally, if you want to unlock more advanced features, like additional indicators, multiple charts and faster data, feel free to use my affiliate link in the description to upgrade to Tradingview Pro. It's optional, but it can really enhance your charting experience. That's it for this quick and easy guide to adding the inverted hammer bullish indicator on Tradingview.